In the heart of a parched savanna, where the earth cracks under the relentless sun, exists a bird with a seemingly magical ability. The azure whistler, a small and unassuming species, possesses a song that mimics the sound of falling rain so perfectly that it can summon clouds. This elusive bird, often mistaken for a mere blue streak darting through the air, becomes a beacon of hope for drought-stricken lands. Farmers and villagers whisper tales of its rain-bringing prowess, a gift that defies scientific explanation yet is revered in local folklore. The azure whistler's song acts as a catalyst, triggering atmospheric changes that lead to much-needed rainfall. Meanwhile, in the underbrush, the silver fern performs its own quiet miracle, releasing spores that absorb moisture and create a microclimate conducive to life. Together, these lesser-known inhabitants of the natural world showcase abilities that blur the lines between myth and reality, offering a glimpse into nature's hidden wonders.